You want to know how to get started in filmmaking with no budget in 2025? Alright, you want to be a filmmaker, but you don't have a fancy camera or Hollywood budget. No worries. In this video, I will show you exactly how you can start making films today with zero budget. By the end, you will have everything you need to create your very first short film, so let's go. Let's break this down into 4 simple steps. Planning, shooting, editing, distributing your film. All without spending a cent. First step, planning your film. That's what we call pre-production. Before you even pick up a camera, you need a plan. Here's how you can write a script and prepare for your shoot without spending any money. First, find a simple story idea. Start with something small. Think of a short scene that you can film at home, or for example in a park, or anywhere accessible. Keep it, let's say, under 2 minutes. Second, write your script. Use a free software like Google Docs or Word, or a free screenwriting software like Writer Do It. Keep your dialogue natural and scenes minimal. Third, create a shot list and a storyboard. Sketch rough shots on paper or use free apps like Storyboard. That will all help you to stay organized when shooting. Point 4, find free actors. Ask friends or family members to act. If you're alone, make a silent film or act yourself. Alright, step 2. Shoot your film with no budget. Let's talk about how you can shoot your film. And you don't need a fancy camera. Oftentimes your smartphone is more than powerful enough. I mean, 20 years ago, Hollywood cameras oftentimes wouldn't be the quality that you have in your pocket today. So first, use your phone as a camera. If you have a recent smartphone, you're set up. Download free apps like Filmmaking Pro or Open Camera to get more manual control. Second, stabilize your shots. Shaky footage is oftentimes distracting. Use a stack of books or a tripod or rest your phone against a wall. If filming handheld, use slow, intended movements. Third point, master natural lighting. Film near windows for a soft and natural look. Shoot during golden hour. That's an hour after sunrise or before sunset for the best outdoor lighting. That gives it a cinematic look. And if you then use a white sheet or some cardboard covered with aluminum foil, you can reflect that light back into your actor's face. 4, use free sound recording apps. If your phone has a built-in mic that isn't good, well, then use a different phone and put it close to your actor. Or get yourself like a $15 little lavalier mic to hide under the clothes and then use a separate phone, plug that in, and you're set. 5, DIY special effects and props. Use household items creatively. Flashlights for moody lighting, cardboard for props, or even a Bluetooth speaker to add live sound effects. Now, a lot of you will probably think that there's no way anyone can create something decent like that, and that it's easy for me to create because I have all this fancy gear. Well, I'm challenging myself to create a 5-minute short film with only my phone and tools that everyone has in his household. I'll post the results and some BTS in my next video. Step 3, editing your film for free. Nowadays, there's a lot of editing apps that are free, and there's some really good ones, like DaVinci Resolve. That's for professional editing, and there's a free version of it. It's a little limited, but perfect for a beginner. Second one would be CapCut. That's great for your mobile phone or iMovie on something a little bigger like an iPad. Here are a couple basic editing tips. Cut out unnecessary parts to keep your film engaging, and cut into motion. That's something a lot of beginners don't do. When someone starts walking, but he's supposed to be walking already, just cut out the part where he takes his first step and cut into that action. It's pretty simple, but believe me, it's gonna look a whole lot better than if your actor starts walking and the next shot starts walking again. Use royalty-free music and sound effects from sites like Free Music Archive or Pixabay. Next point, color correct your footage. There's a lot of LUTs out there that you can just drag and drop into DaVinci Resolve and use, and it's gonna look a whole lot better than just what came out of your phone. The next very important thing is step 4. Share your film and get noticed. If you've shot and edited your film, now it's time to show it to the world. Upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Post your film and use relevant hashtags, like, I don't know, filmmaking, indie film, or whatever, to reach some people. Second, join a filmmaking community. Share your film into Facebook groups, Reddit forums, or Discord servers. And now the third point, and that's the most important, get feedback and improve. Ask your friends, your fellow filmmakers, or the people from those groups for feedback for your film. You're just supposed to learn, and that's gonna help you just improve and improve. All right, that's it. You can start making films today with what you have. And will your first film be Academy Award nominated? Probably not. It's about the learning. When I started out producing my very first short films back in high school, I was surprised to see how much it takes to just get a 30-second scene done for my film. Now, I challenge you, film a 30-second scene using just your phone and just post it online. Get feedback and tag me so I can check it out. Also, let me know in the comments what is stopping you right now from making your film. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more filmmaking tips. Let's make movies together.